Designing a website in WordPress using Elementor is simple and intuitive. Here's how to do it. Install WordPress and Elementor. First, install WordPress on your hosting. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for Elementor and click Install Now, then Activate. Choose a theme. Select a WordPress theme compatible with Elementor. Popular options include Hello Elementor or Astra. Install and activate it. Create a new page. Go to Pages, Add New and give your page a title. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. Design the page layout. In the Elementor editor, you will see a drag and drop interface. Use the Sections and Columns tools to structure your layout. Drag widgets like heading, text editor, image and button from the left sidebar into your page to build the content. Customize the design. Adjust the style, colors, fonts, and spacing for each element by clicking on them and modifying settings in the left sidebar. You can also use advanced options for margin, padding, and positioning. Preview and publish. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Preview to see how it looks. Then click Publish to make your page live.